You have got your JE posting on February 4th. You'll walk through those JC gates, collect your orientation shirt, and realize the rules have changed. I'm Brian Lai, ex-MOE award winner. Over 15 years, I've coached 2,000 students. Most enter JC thinking that O-level A1 is a shield. It isn't. It's just a ticket to a much harder arena. Let's take a look at the board here. Okay, these are your 5 themes for your H2. Foundation of Physics, Mechanics, Waves, Thermal Physics, Electricity, Magnetism, and Modern Physics. Alright? So you see so many different colors. I'll explain to you which one is H1, H2, H3 during our open house. Before you choose your subjects, you must understand the jump. H2 is 4 times harder than O-levels. It's not about formulas, it's about the brutal paper 2 data analysis and the surgical paper 3 questions. If you choose H2 without checking your foundations, you will struggle to balance your CCA and your new JC life. You need to know if you're fit for H2 before your first lecture starts. In secondary, topics were like separate beads. In H2, it's an interconnected web. If your vectors or kinematics foundation is weak in month 1, your entire 2-year structure sags. By March, you are in syllabus debt that most students never pay off. You cannot afford to let the tension go slack in the first 30 days. At our open house, we perform a live knowledge gap audit on the spot. I'll show you exactly where your cracks are, whether you are from IP, pure physics, or combined science, and give you the roadmap to nail your promos. Every attendee gets our H2 physics and math survival cards. And if you join our mission, you receive my 120-page compendium worth $49 for free. Don't wait for the first U grade to realize the web has collapsed. Bring a friend. Let's audit your gaps together and secure your A. Space at UNOS, Jurong East, and Bukit Timah is strictly limited. Register below. I'll see you at the briefing.